Hence, we have to do this activity, the activity of chair game. Let's add. On the left side, how many chairs are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chairs are there. And on the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 chairs. On left side, 8 chairs. And on the right side, 9 chairs. Let's write it in detail. Look here. In your textbook, only one question was there. But we can add some more questions. We can write 2 questions here. First question, how many chairs? How many chairs? What is the total number of chairs? Left side 8 and right side 9. So we have to add 8 and 9. Let's add. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, the answer is 17. Okay. How many chairs in total? 17. So we can write 17 in this box. Now, there were 10 students. For 10 students, there were 10 students to play. We have to add chairs to the left side. How many chairs on left side? 8 chairs. We have to make it 10. There were 10 students, so we have to make it 10. So after 8 to get 10, 9, 10. We need 2 chairs. 9 and 10. Okay. We need 2 chairs. So we have to write here 8 plus to get 10, 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. In the box we can write 8 plus 2 equals 10. We can write the question here for 10 students. And the third question. Let's read the third question. Now the total is. Now we moved 2 chairs to this side, 2 chairs to the left side. So now the total 10, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 10 plus 7. 10 on left side and 7 on right side. Okay, 10 plus 7 equals 17. We have to write 7. So, at first it was 8 plus 9, 17. Then we moved 2 chairs to this side. Now, the total is 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay, now let's look at this work in detail. There were 2 boxes of candles. 2 boxes of candles. In this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles. So the first question is here, how many candles? How many candles? 5 plus 8 equals? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. We can write 13 here. To write in the second and third boxes, let's read here. To get a set of 10 candles, any of these candles should make to a set of 10 candles. you can make this set 10 or you can make this set to 10. Here it is only 5 candles. Here 8 candles. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് നമുക്ക് മാറ്റി എഴുതാം. 10 candles കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് മാറ്റി എഴുതാം. If you are writing 5 here, so to get 10 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. And if you are writing 8 here, after 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. You can write 5 plus 5 equal 10 or 8 plus 2, 10 here. Okay. Now the third question, the total is, yes, 10 plus, if you are taking this side, 8 plus 2, 10. Then 10 plus 1, 2, 3, yes, 10 plus 3 is 13. 5 plus 18 is 13 and 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, so now let's go to the next work. Now here is a question, can you answer? The question is, Tara has 12 bits. Suppose she gets 5 more. How many would she have then? Tara has 12 bits. At first, Tara has 12 bits. മുത്തുകൾ 12 bits. 12 മുത്തുകളുണ്ട്. Tara has 12 bits. If she gets 5 more. If we add 5. If we add 5 to 12, so we have to write 12 plus 5 here. 12 plus 5. At first 12 bits, then 5. 12 plus 5. Can you find the answer? Write here 12 plus 5 and find the answer here also. Okay. So we are finding the total number of beads here. Now let's look at the second question. Manu has 15 chocolates. He gave 3 to Anu. How many chocolates does he have now? Manu has 15 chocolates. 15 chocolates കയ്യിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. He gave 3 to Anu. 15 ചോക്ലേറ്റ്സിൽ നിന്ന് 3 to Anu. അനുവിന് 3 കൊടുത്താൽ how many chocolates does he have? At first there were 15 chocolates. Gave 3 to Anu. So to find the balance, we have to find 15 minus 3. Right here 15 minus 3. So you have to find the answer 15 minus 3. Now a number game. We watched this game in the Victorious class. Let's read. Anu wrote 4 numbers on cards like this. 8, 9, 10, 11. Vinu arranged the cards like this. 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's add the numbers on the opposite corners. Let's add the numbers on the opposite corners. Opposite corners. When we are adding opposite corner numbers, 10 plus 9, 10 plus 9 and 11 plus 8, 11 plus 8. So we have to write the answers here. Yes, both of them are 19. So both answers are same. Now let's write this question. Write the numbers 4, 8, 12, 16 in the boxes like this. We can write these numbers in the box, but if we are adding the numbers on the opposite corners, its total must be same. Try to write it. Now here is another question. What is the missing number here? So first we can add these numbers. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. What is the answer of 10 plus 3? 13. Okay, so here which number will be there? The total of these numbers are 13. So here the total is 13. Okay, so try to get the answer. In this page, fill in. This is the first activity in this page. Here you have to find the friends of 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. Likewise, okay. And here you have to find the friends of 17. 10 plus 7 is 17. 15 plus 2 is 17. Likewise, okay. Find the other friends of 9 and find the other friends of 17. And next activity in this page is, let us make a crown. Let us make a crown. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here to get the answer we have to add 1 and 2. Then write the answer here. Okay. And to get the answer here we can add 5 and 7. And to get the answer here we can add this number and this number. Okay. So try to get the answer and write in the boxes. Now here is a song for you, a simple song, 1, 2, 3 song. Let's sing. 1, 2, 3. 1. When I am all alone. 2. When I am with my ma. 3. When we are with my pa. 4. With my little sis. 5. With my baby bro. 6. With my pretty doll. 7. With my yelping pup. 8. With my purring kit. 9. With my frisky lamb. 10. With its meek mother. Okay, you can sing this song and enjoy. Children, bye bye.